In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet. We'll walk through the essential steps to get you started on this powerful tool for virtual meetings. Whether you're setting up a meeting or joining one, these instructions are designed to make your experience smooth and hassle-free. First, let's locate Google Meet and kick off your meeting journey. You can dive right in by navigating to meet.google.com using your browser. Alternatively, if you're logged into your Google account, take a glance at the top right corner where you'll see a grid of dots. It's Google's Apps launcher. Once you click that, a world of Google Apps will unfold before you. Look for the Google Meet logo there. It's a little video camera symbol. Give it a click and you'll be directed straight into Google Meet. When you arrive in Google Meet, the first thing you'll notice is a welcoming home screen, offering you two main options. You'll see the New Meeting button, along with the option to enter a code or link. Now, these features are your gateway to participating in meaningful conversations. So let's break them down. If you've received an invitation with a code or a link to an existing Google Meet session, you can simply enter it into the designated box here, and you'll be ready to join your colleagues, friends, or family. It's as seamless as that. Now, if you're the one initiating a meeting, the New Meeting button is where you'll want to focus your attention. Once you click here, you'll see three options pop up. You can create a meeting for later, which is perfect for planning ahead. Choose this if you want all the details ready beforehand. Share the generated link with participants, and everyone can join at the scheduled time. Alternatively, if you need to meet on the fly, select Start an Instant Meeting. This option will launch a meeting room immediately, allowing you to kick off a discussion with just seconds of prep time. Lastly, for those of you who thrive on organization, the Schedule in Google Calendar option is a gift. Using this, you can integrate your meeting plans with your Google Calendar. It not only saves the meeting details, but also sends out invitations to your desired participants, keeping everyone in the loop. There you have it, a simple and efficient rundown of how to navigate and utilize Google Meet. With these steps, you're well equipped to join or host virtual meetings with ease. Embrace the capabilities of this tool and connect with your network effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you smooth sailing in all your future Google Meet endeavors.